Strike Energy is a gas and exploration and appraisal company which is solely focused on its assets in the Southern Cooper Basin, and that's where we're progressing our flagship project, which is focused on the deep coal seam play just south of Moomba. Strike's decision to move towards South Australia is one that's both strategic and pragmatic. With its assets solely focused in South Australia, bringing ourselves into closer proximity with our major stakeholders, customers, the regulator, as well as the South Australian employment base, which is focused around the Cooper Basin, is a very strategic decision on behalf of the company. It also helps by bringing the decision making closer to the source of the information. The Cooper Basin is one of the oldest and longest producing gas provinces in South Australia. It still has a lot more to give. The Cooper Basin will benefit from recent technological developments. With the application of these new technologies, we should see new volumes making their way out of the Cooper Basin and into the market. Gas shortages are a result of non-pro-development legislative environments around the east coast of Australia. South Australia is a pro-development legislative environment and is not only supportive of what we do, it breaks down the barriers and it also incentivises further exploration, appraisal and development of our resource. South Australia's electricity generation is both a heavily mix of gas and renewables. That's a great two set of fuels for the energy mix. The more abundant gas will mean a lower cost of electricity for South Australia. Strike's deposition or Southern Cooper Basin gas project will increase the supply of gas into the South Australian energy system, which will allow gas to come back to being an abundant, reliable and affordable type of energy. Strike's move to South Australia will directly translate into jobs for South Australians and greater opportunity for South Australian companies to be a part of the requisite providing of services that Strike will need for its commercialisation of its project. Working in South Australia is great. It's been an absolute pleasure to work with Investment Attraction South Australia and to create both a profitable and sustainable outlook for Strike. Relocating from Sydney was a great decision and we've been really heavily supported by both the South Australian government and the regulatory arms.